Utirelo, she has the same heart as Thobile Msaleko, a third wife Musamsala, because guys, there's no way you can do this. Even the Begezilling, the Bongoto women are failing to do this. So anyway, guys, without me wasting your time, let's get started today. Know that also the house is Samana Pizan. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Tuesday, happy 2026. So guys, Utirelo, she's currently trending and people are not happy. People are saying, why every time there's a new girl in Pileni Yakampumele, Utirelo wanna be friends with that girl. Firstly, it was a Nosipho. Do you still remember she used to comment on Nosipho's post? And then the next one, Amahle, she tried to comment one thing about Amahle, guys. The personality of Amahle, she doesn't care, guys. So people are asking themselves, what is going on in Utirelo, guys? So there's a video that's currently trending on TikTok. There's a lady who was alleged to be dating Umpumela Msaleko. Even around December, there's a video on her TikTok account. She was with Umpumela, guys, and people are assuming Lona is side chick Yakampumela. Maybe she's sooner to be a third wife Yakampumela Msaleko. So guys, Utirelo and Fortunate, they were dancing and people were like, no way, Utirelo. So people are saying, Utirelo, she's trying so hard to show Umpumela she's a strong woman, guys. The people are saying, no way, Utirelo, there's no way any woman can do what you are doing unless there's something that you are not telling us. Maybe you are pretending to show Umpumela when we are batanda any girl Umpumela can bring, you don't have any problem. Or maybe you want to use this against the first wife Umpumela Amahle, guys. The people are saying Thobile Msaleko used to be friends with his wife Msaleko. Do you still remember she tried to be friends with Maqele, and Maqele was like, no, girl, don't try me. She tried to be friends with Mbali Mangwabe. They were friends before. I think they were friends before Musamsaleko marry Mbali, guys. And people are saying, ask Thobile Msaleko. Now she's all alone. Maqele, she's busy, no Makwela. So don't you dare try what you're doing, Utirelo. You're going to hurt yourself, because at the end of the day, these girls, they don't care. They just want their man in Mpumelelo, not you. You're gonna try so hard to end up hating yourself. Mpumelelo, he loves this girl and he's gonna marry them, like it or not. Even if you try so hard, there will be that girl he loves more than you. Don't try so hard, because you're gonna hurt yourself. So it is what it is. It's a type of conversation. What do you think about it? Don't forget to subscribe, so like it, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself.